Okay, on the first one. There it is. Nice shilling. 1929. Third bit. More. Second one. Nice little spoon. See you on the next one. More. Oh, yeah. Third one. Starting to rain now. Getting a bit wet. There it is. It's a button. Hey, well, never mind. Sweet boy. Lovely and moist. It's quieting down now, so I'm going to be so quiet. I don't want everyone hearing my mental ravings. So we're on to another one. Fucking soaked. So it's here somewhere. I know it's in this corner, I haven't got to it yet. But... oh, there's a blue out. The fuck was that? Is it look taken? I don't know. Not sure. Clean up and I'll have a look. See you in a bit. Boy. Okay. So I've just been digging around in this hole. Removed a brick. Yeah. Went quite deep. And then that's what we had. A silver spoon bowl. Yeah, I've been digging it for a while because it kept going off and said it was something else, but it was just a bit of shitty iron next to it. So anyway, nice one. Boy. Yeah. Literally like 2 seconds from that filling in that last hole with a spoon bowl. There's my original hole. There. And I found the fucking handle. There you go, and it's stamped too. Ooh, yes. Sweet. We've got another one here, but it's in there, so I'm going to have to check that, but I'll see you in a bit. Boy. Okay. It's fucking battering it down now. Got another one, I think, looking, so I've just flicked about. I think I saw a coin or a button. More most likely a button down there. Yeah, so let's get some of this shit out of the way. Still there. Oh, if you can see it. There, see if make out the edge of it. Is it button? Oh no. Sweet. Ooh, my camera's fucking shit. Vicky 3p. Sweet. Triple silver today then. See you in a bit. Boy. It's pissing it down. So I've given up. We've had turn that fucking Parker's stuff, annoying fucking thing. So we've had a silver-plated spoon, a George V silver shilling, Elizabeth II 6p was 1956 or something like that, and a Queen Victoria 3p, 1900. So, although I'm absolutely soaked, it's been good. I've got to definitely go and get some fucking waterproof stuff as the weather's starting to turn. Right, going down my Sunday dinner now. Hopefully it'll be done. I doubt it. See you in a bit. Bye.